Say hello to the new Cryotos, enhanced, faster and packed with tools you need to streamline operation with this work request dashboard. In the predefined dashboard, previously we can see the summary status of the preventive task which is created and the tasks which are converted into work order and the particular status of that work orders and for the preventive task. With this latest enhancement, we have introduced the work request dashboard. This work request dashboard gives you the in detail information of the work request which are created and converted into work order and it's been submitted. So this purely provides you the information of request details. Here we can see the requests which are created based on the different priorities, which is normal, urgent and critical, where we can see the table view format as well as the graphical format, and also we can use the filters of durations to take the particular request created on a particular dates. Thank you.